This dish is stuffed piquillo peppers with piave, ground lamb, and olive tapenade paired with a 2018 Tempranillo. I love European cheeses because of the tradition and all of the love that goes into it. It's made with amore. PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, mark identifies a product originating in a specific place, region, or country, whose quality or characteristics are essentially or exclusively due to a particular geographical environment. Piave is the most famous of cheese from the Bologna area. Created by local master cheesemakers, it is still today produced in the traditional manner. Its sweet, penetrating flavor intensifies as it matures and can be used in savory and sweet foods. It is aged over 12 months. In Mazzano form, it is perfect on its own or cut into strips for tasty salads or first courses. I'm serving it as tapas 2 ways, inside the stuffing and as a delicious cheese sauce to bring everything together. This dish is piave with pimentos del piquillo rellenos.